This is a demonstration of a controlled felling technique. It's important to note that this is a skilled operation requiring expertise and safety equipment. The arborist is utilizing a chainsaw to make a precise cut, ensuring the tree falls in the desired direction. The cut is carefully planned to minimize the risk of damage to surrounding areas. As you can see, the tree is carefully directed, allowing for a smooth and controlled takedown. This highlights the importance of proper training and techniques when working with large trees.